at Hogwarts. Yeah, J.K. Rowling's 7 Harry Potter books have sold more than 400 million copies around the world, and the 8 films have grossed more than $7 billion.
Wow.
Can you imagine the success? That is insane.
It is, and I feel like people have become more and more attached to Harry Potter lately, and I think it's because of sites like Pottermore, where all of a sudden, first thing you do when you get on there, you get sorted into your house. And also,
which is funny because Liz's favorite character from the book didn't make it into the movie.
Yeah, anyone who's a fan of the books, Peeves is probably my favorite. He's not necessarily a major character, but he's the troublemaker, so he keeps it exciting.
Yeah.
And
everybody needs one of those.
It's true. It keeps it fun. And this year was especially exciting for Harry Potter fans because it's the 19th year, which anyone who's read the books knows that's when the book series ends. But a new generation kind of gets going with the Harry Potter series.
That's cool.
So that's
all right.
fun
Maybe I should give it another try. That's what you're telling me, right?
Yeah, you should give
try
it a try
again, Sarah.
It's a good book. It's a good series, but you might want to wait till the upcoming work week to spend the time indoors reading, or maybe find a good book by the pool. It's going to be great pool weather the next couple days. We're getting one more taste of summer with the sun shining brightly. We'll be looking at temperatures today near lunchtime, around 80 degrees, and I think you'll see a few passing clouds here or there. Overall for the weekend, it's not just today, but tomorrow as well that we're going to be watching for one more taste of that summer-like heat. And by summer-like heat, we're talking about 90 degrees for a high. And later we get into your afternoon and evening, that'll be where we start to introduce the potential for a few showers and thunderstorms. View up by Table Rock Lake, well, we've seen a few boats out coming and going. I feel like Moonshine Beach going to be another very popular place to be. And if nothing else, so you can just enjoy some sunshine and cool off in the water. Now, it's not just the sunshine that we've been seeing, but a few passing clouds and a very nice light breeze. Right now, the breeze coming out of the south at just 3 miles per hour. We're at 66 degrees right here in Springfield, and that's really the middle ground for temperatures across the board. Now, spots like Raleigh yesterday, you woke up to the 40s. Salem, another spot that's almost 20 degrees on the warmer end from yesterday. It was Raleigh in particular that out by the airport, you reported a brand new record low temperature yesterday at 48 degrees. The previous record, it was 49, set back in 1974. And the trend the next couple of days, remember, average, right what we're expecting today, 86 degrees will be above that for the day tomorrow, so Labor Day itself. Then the fall-like chill, so why it might be a better idea to even take that reading indoors, is going to be heading our way for the work week. So Tuesday onward, we'll be talking about temperatures upwards of 10 to 15 degrees below normal. Overall, though, the main story for your holiday weekend is all about the warmth. We have high pressure down to the south. It's been clearing out the clouds, giving us that sunny sky. And the air around high pressure, it's a big thing to focus on because even though the breeze is light with high pressure, it's still coming out of the south to southeast. So we have the warmer air and a little bit of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico moving in as well. It's as we head toward the end of your Labor Day. And by the end of Labor Day, we're talking about probably after 8, 9 o'clock. So by the time you're probably shifting over to the work week, getting ready for bed, that we have the cold front sliding its way down across the Ozarks. And like the name implies, and like we saw from that temperature graph, it is really going to be bringing down our temperatures. Now, another thing it'll do is help trigger the chance for a few showers and thunderstorms as it slides down across the Ozarks Tuesday morning. That'll be the best chance for some widespread rainfall before we dry things up and bring in that fall-like chill. Overall, here's a closer look at the timing of the futurecast, showing that we could see the chance for maybe a few isolated showers this afternoon. I really think the moisture that we see from any of that will just be a few more dense clouds. Overall, sunshine, the main story for the day on Monday, and then that cold front like we were talking about, it'll bring along the chance for a few showers probably after dinner time. Probably 5, 6 o'clock will be where you see the clouds build back in. Probably closer to 8, 9 o'clock will be when those of us north of 44 really start to see the rainfall move in. Now, as you get ready to head out the door for work, so around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, that'll be when the cold front works its way along that Missouri-Arkansas state line, producing the chance for a few showers, some isolated thunderstorms. Overall, it won't be a downpour, but I do think we could see upwards of maybe ½ inch of rain, so that is enough that you want to at least have an umbrella on hand before you leave. Today, we're watching for temperatures right on track with normal, reaching their way up to the mid to upper 80s, so just add about 2 or 3 degrees to the temperature from where you were yesterday. The hot day will be for us Labor Day before the cold front triggers some showers during the first half of your Tuesday, and then 70s throughout the entirety of the work week. So fall is going to feel like it's here in full force.
All right, we can get